Hey guys, it's Ashley from Untitled Chapter Reviews, and today I'm unboxing the Boss Lady swag box. This is a new monthly subscription for boss ladies in general. Each box contains lifestyle, wellness, beauty, skincare items. I'm actually really excited. They reached out to me about reviewing this, and I was like, okay, and I didn't know what to expect. I hadn't seen any like examples, and then I was looking last night, getting all my information from my video, and I was like, ooh, this looks like it's really going to be good. So the box is really cute. These are $35 monthly. You can use code BLSB12 for a special discount at checkout. I am going to show you the inside because I was like, ooh, this looks so pretty. Look at how pretty it is. Love it. Oh, so look at the colors. So cute. All right, so this is our card, and then it does look like right here in the back it tells us what we're receiving. We don't peek over here. All right. So our first item is bubble wrapped to the extreme, which is great. I mean, that's a good thing. And so you got to open it up on camera. All right, so it says, always bossin'. Oh my gosh. I don't know if this is like a ring dish or you can use it in like your kitchen, but I'm kind of not going to use this in my kitchen. Oh my God, always bossin'. I'm going to show this to my husband. And my cat, of course, is making a cameo. All right, we have some Nabi matte long-lasting lip gloss. Does that say matte or does it say, is it something? I think it says matte. What color is this? It's like a nude. This is champagne, which is really pretty. I've never heard of this brand before. We will try it out. You know us, we always try. I have a necklace in my bed I wanted to wear today and I forgot, and it's just like sitting there. Anybody else do that? All right, then we have this cool, ooh, I like this. It's a bright pink pen and it says be different. So there it is. Isn't that neat? I love that. Come here, Swifters. All right, what else? Ooh, oh, I love, oh my goodness. So this is the Project 7 gum. This is Champagne Dreams. They have the most amazing flavors and I love trying all of them. So this is Champagne Dreams, which I've never tried yet. Gonna do it. And then, ooh, Project 7, what is this? Oh, I didn't even know they made gummy bears, but these are Project 7 gourmet gummy bears in the same champagne. Somebody is on a motorcycle interrupting my video right now. We'll just let them pass. Champagne Dreams gummy bears. That sounds yummy. I love the colors. So we're getting a very champagne feeling from this box. I guess that's the theme. Then we have, oh my gosh, how cute. This is from Ecolo, who I've received items from them before, but I don't remember what. Is it a coin purse or is it? So here it is, mini purse keychain. Oh, how cute. Let's open it up. And you can like actually put things in it, like, you know, maybe like change, or I'm sure there's other items that you could put in there. I don't know what though, but it's so cute. I love it. You want it, Swifty? You want a purse? Put a little purse on. All right, I think we have one more item. No, we have a couple. Wow, there's a lot in here. All right. Next, we have a little note. Ooh, this is 3 notebooks also from Ecolo. These are like striped. You can see there's 3 different colors. I love it. It's like very nautical. Oh, I actually had the girls journaling this summer. Like in the morning, they journal and they have these. I give them like field notebooks because I think they're really cool and I'm going to keep them and save them and show them to them when they're older. Anyway, but these are really cute. We'll look at the card at the end because maybe they include the prices. I'm not sure. Another pen. This one says, dream big, darling. And this is a little bit like more of a baby pink, but it's really pretty. And then finally, oh, cool. So this is from Asheli. Good name, right, Ashley? This is a budget notebook. Create your best days. Is this also from Asheli? No, this is Ecolo. That's right. So there is that. And this is also striped and very pretty. I love how this box came together. Let's look at our card and see what it says. Champagne Dream. Okay, so this is the June box. Boss Lady, start the summer off right swag box. Champagne Dream Treats. It doesn't have the prices, but it does list everything, but we already know what everything is. There's no confusion. So that is everything that I received. I'm going to link down below to my full review. If you guys are interested in checking that out or interested in checking out Boss Lady Swag Box, I will link to them as well. As always, thank you guys so much for watching. I'll see you next time.